Hey everybody, Ryan Huggins here, and today I wanted to make a quick video for you about the commission structure for SalesVision, because we've been getting a couple of questions about how do I get paid, and it's super simple, so I wanted to make a quick video for you. So there's 4 steps to the pay program with SalesVision. Step number 1 is the free games step. Step number 1, free games, right? So you get started as a free player of the games. When you are a free player of the game, it costs you $0. You get a commission level 1, $0. If your friend refers someone to the game, you get a commission level of 0%. So the free player has a 0% commission. What you'll be able to do though is create a free SalesVision game account, and that way you have access to all of the games. It will get you instantly a free Visa SalesVision Black Card, which we will mail to you, and you'll be able to actually win bonuses on there. And when you sign up online, they automatically give you $1. So you'll literally make your first ever dollar online, if you've never done this before, just by signing up to play the game. You will need to verify your phone number. That way we can actually verify that you're a real person, and they will send you $1 immediately with the Black Card. What you'll get with that is you'll get access to your SalesVision Black Card. They'll send you in the mail. However, you will also still be able to make money in the back end on the back office, and they can be transferred to your actual bank account when you level up. With that, you also get the Mindset 360 game. The Mindset 360 game is designed to prepare you to have the mindset of a business owner running a business online. You're also going to get access to Marketing 360. That game is going to teach you how to actually market online. You may have never ever sold or marketed anything online. This game will teach you step by step. The next thing you're going to get is the game Sales 360, which will also teach you the sales skills that you need, and it's going to be a game, so it's fun and exciting to learn all these things because you're playing games anyway. With that membership, you're also going to get $3,000 worth of digital sales magnets that will automatically attract new customers and new players to your game and new sales. You're going to use our gaming system as a fun and exciting way to generate leads for your current business for free. So let's say that you're promoting a company that is a clothing company. You're promoting a company that's a weight loss company. You're promoting a company that's a travel company. With this game, you're going to still be able to generate leads, and those leads will be able to be used for free for your existing business. We are not trying to take you away from your existing business. And you are also going to be able to win daily cash prizes and also giveaways playing the Speed Wealth game and also the other games on the free level. So that is why you're going to get the Black Card, because we will be able to transfer money directly to you when you're the winner, whenever you win something. And then also, if you wanted to just get it paid out to your bank account, that's why you'll have access to set that up there in your back office. Level number 2 is the Apprentice 360 games. With this, it is an in-app purchase, and that is going to be $7 per month. Now, when you pay $7 per month, you are then going to unlock the commission level 1, 10%. So you will now be able to make commissions off of anything that you sell within the game, and also anything your friends sell within the game as well on the level 2 there, which is really exciting. Now, we're not going down to level 3, 4, infinity, because this is not a multi-level marketing company. This is not network marketing. This is a super affiliate program. So just understand that. We're not going to be going 100 levels deep and all this, whatever. If you are in a program like that, those are awesome too, but we are not doing that for multiple reasons. We are an affiliate program. With this, you'll also get the Limitless 360 game, the Mindset 360 game, the Marketing 360 game, the Sales 360 game. All the same games as the first level, but you also include now Limitless 360, which is a new game for you. At this level, you will also be able to win a free house payment or a free car payment of your choice, and the equivalent value of $1,000, which we'll be giving away every single month, and that loads directly onto your Black Card or into your back office. Level number 3 is the Professional 360 games. At this level, it is $77 a month. With this, your commission level goes up to 20% on anyone you refer to the game. Anyone that those people refer to the game, you will also get 20%. So you get 20% commission levels on 2 levels. You will also have access again to the Limitless 360, Mindset 360, Marketing 360, Sales 360, and we are also adding in this one, Nutrition 360. So this game is going to help you get your nutrition on point, so that way you can be a rock star. Also, Vincent Ortega Jr. has decided on his birthday this year, since he's launching this company this year in 2020, his birthday is on 6/20/2020. He is going to be giving away a $54,000 Rolex watch, which is awesome if you want to wear it, but in reality, I mean, to keep it, it's an investment. Rolexes always go up in price. He's giving that away on his birthday, and at that level, you'll have access. If you play the games, you generate points. Those points are how you're going to get access to the drawing for that Rolex. Level number 4, this is the Diamond 360 games. The Lucky Sevens, we call it. You got to get them 7 vibes, all right? You got to get them 777, like when you pull a slot machine at the casino and it comes up 777, you're hitting the jackpot, baby. So at this level, Diamond 360 games is going to cost you $777 for the whole year. The whole year, $777. On this one, your commission levels go up all the way to 30%. Anybody you refer, anything and everything they buy, you make 30% off of. If they refer someone in the game, anyone those people refer, level 2, you also make 30% off of everything they sell within the game as well. You also in this level get Limitless 360 the game, Mindset 360, Marketing 360, Sales 360, Legacy 360, which is a new game you'll be able to play, Nutrition 360, which we talked about, and also Frequency 360, and get your vibrations on the next level. Start attracting the world the way you want it to be. Live out your dreams. When you manifest anything and everything you want, you can be, do, or have anything and everything you want in this world. Thoughts become things. With this, you also get the SalesVision presidents, leads, sales, and customers rotated through you. So what that means is Vincent Ortega has been doing internet marketing for years and years and years. He has millions of customers generated that he is actually marketing to on a constant basis. Those people will be coming into SalesVision as leads, and he will be distributing them out as they come in to anybody who is on the diamond level. So obviously the diamond level is going to help you get more sales and leads going forward. You can expect leads, sales, customers every single month just because you're a diamond member, even if you did nothing with the system. Also with this, you get the opportunity to win again on Vincent Ortega's birthday, June 20th, 2020, a $300,000 Bentley. That's right. He's giving away his personal Bentley, $300,000 Bentley. He's giving it away to one lucky winner. And again, that's going to be based on the points that you accumulate through playing the games within the SalesVision ecosystem. So that is the rundown of the SalesVision 360 full commission structure. I hope this helps. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below or reach out to me. I look forward to seeing you inside the game and inside the group. And if you haven't already signed up to be a member with us here at SalesVision, please feel free to sign up with my team personally at www.winwithryan.com. www.winwithryan.com. Come join me. It's free to get started, but I know I can see some diamonds in this video already. Talk to you soon. Have a wonderful day. Bye.